Finally, on Thursday, a very weak boundary crosses in the morning with just a slim chance of a snow shower. It doesn't do much to our temperatures. In fact, our temperatures warm up on Thursday. We could easily hit 40 degrees. Now, forget about the 40s this weekend. We have a storm system that's going to be passing through the southeast, through the mid-Atlantic, and out to sea. We are on the northern edge of that storm system. So I think really throughout the day Sunday, we could be seeing some light to moderate snowfall. Still too early for the exact track, the timing on this, the totals on this, but I could see a couple of inches of snow for sure on Sunday as that system scoots by to our south. So we're going to keep you updated on that as it evolves. Until then, we do see a little bit of a warm up Thursday into Friday there, even Wednesday, not too bad. But the Arctic air settles in this weekend with those temperatures in the teens to near 20 degrees. Next week, we don't get out of the 20s and overnight lows stay in the single digits to the upper teens.